my name's Mr. Dillon. In this video we're going to practice the power chords for Let's Boogie. So let's practice these power chord progressions. We're going to start with our triad here, starting on middle C. This is our hand position. So we'll form a triad with fingers 1, 3, and 5 together on that first half note. In the second chord, we're going to move the four fingers stretched to the right, just one unit. So we go from here to here. Then we'll go back to our C 5 finger scale, hand position, play 2, 5, and 1, 3, 5. The left hand is starting exactly the same, but it's an octave lower. We go to G. Now we're going to start here. Triad. Then the fourth. And the 4 chord. And back to 2, 5. And then hands together, C major triad. Let's practice that first part together. Ready? The next part is exactly the same, so we'll play that too. And stop on this triad. 3, 4. Okay, very good. We're going to go on to the second line. We start with a new pattern at measure 11. We're going to play fingers 2 and 5 at the same time. Step up to 3. And skip down to finger 1 on C. That sounds like this. Let's play that again. The last one, we're going to move our 4 fingers to the right, like we played our 4 chord. We're going to start with 3 and 5, step down to 2 and 4, and skip down to 1. So that's over here. 3, 5, 4, 2, 1. From measure 11 and 12. Good. If you need to go back and practice that, go ahead. We're going to play the right hand of the next part. Please play right hand only for these 4 measures. Great. Now we're going to play left hand. Notice that the left hand has a pulse on beats 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Add that with the right hand. We're going to go to the next pattern where we have the moving intervals given to the left hand this time. So pulse on 2 and 3 will be given to right hand thumb. This is still a C 5 finger scale hand position for right hand. And for the left hand, I'm using 2 and 5 and 1 and 5. Let's play the left hand first. Okay. 1, 2, ready, go. pulse on beats 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Hands together. Good. Let's practice that with the MIDI track. We'll go from measure 11. The next part, we're going to shift to our G major hand position where the left hand is on low G. 5. Right hand thumb. That's our hand position. Let's play the right hand first. Let's start here. And the left hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Practicing these more. Hands together. The next part, we give the moving intervals to the left hand. Please place 2 and 5 between G and D. And then we'll step up to 1 and 5, 6 between G and E. Okay. So we have this hand position for left hand. The right hand has a pulse on beats 2 and 3. 1, 2, 2. I'm going to start at D major. Here's the right hand. It repeats 4 times, right? For 4 measures. The left hand has a pulse on beats 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Let's put the hands together. 1, 2, 2 and 5 will be on the 5th. Between D and A. 1 and 5 will be on the 6th. So here's the stretch right here. Let's practice the moving intervals in the left hand first. Starting right here. Here's the position. 2, 3, 4. Right hand has also beats 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Let's put the hands together. 3, 4. I'm going to shift to an A major hand position. My hands are 2 octaves apart. Right hand is here. Yeah. Left hand 5 plays A. below bass C. Okay. Let's play the right hand moving intervals first. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The left hand has a pulse on beats 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. Now the moving intervals are given to the left hand. This is measure 41, 42, 43, 44. To play this one, I have to move my hand towards the back of the keyboard so my thumb can comfortably rest on F sharp. Everyone's hands are different, so find what works for you. I find that a little more movement helps. Okay. And the right hand has a pulse on beats 2 and 3. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 1. Let's try that for measure 41. Hands together. 3, 4. Good job. We're going to go back to the beginning and play till the double bar line. Three, 4. Major. that is part one of power chords. Stick around for part two.